Greetings from Pathlight. QA provides you a quick and easy way to monitor, analyze, and score the quality of every customer service interaction to ensure agents consistently meet customer expectations and company standards. This is Pathlight's quality assurance page from the perspective of a grader, who can manually choose a ticket or be auto-assigned conversations based on your business rules. The scorecard view has three components: a searchable list of completed scorecards, the scorecard itself, and the ticket that the scorecard is associated with. The ticket view includes the chat or call log from the ticket, details around that specific ticket, as well as AI-driven insights. The scorecard is auto-populated with pre-configured question templates that can be customized for your support team. A grader can easily review the ticket by answering a set of questions with these AI-driven insights, quickly viewing sentiment score, phrase tracking, grammar and spelling errors, and annotating specific interactions with comments and notes to provide individualized guidance and feedback. Once the grader answers the predefined questions, a preview of the total score is displayed before scheduling or submitting the scorecard. Pathlight integrates QA with insight-driven performance analytics to supercharge coaching and performance management of your team. To get a customized full product demo, visit pathlight.com.